do for you is a song that was written back in the 80s, actually. Yeah, Auntie Violet. Well, because Ho'olaka was 1987. Yeah, back in the 80s. And I remember actually being here in 1987. We had the Ho'olaka year of the Hawaiian, and there was a march. We had a lot of festivities right here on this lawn, actually, celebrating. And Auntie Violet and Auntie Violet wrote the lyrics for the music. And our class, we know Kathy Ho. So it was Kathy Ho's grandmother and my grandmother, who were very dear friends. Oh, is that you, Kathy? How's it? The world just goes around generation to generation. I love it. And now we're good friends, but they were really good friends. And my tutu lived in Aloha Heights, and so did Auntie Violet. And she never drove. My tutu drove. Auntie Violet didn't drive. And so she was at the bus stop one day and penned the words to this song on an envelope. But before she got to finish, the bus came. So she put the envelope back in her purse and never took it out again until Ho'olaka, the day they were celebrating, all the kupuna got together and they said, you know, we should do something special, but we didn't prepare. And they took out the song, and the other kupuna gathered around. They wrote the third verse, they wrote the music, and this song was born, Kākou, Nā Hawaiʻi. Now my mom is not with us anymore, but back in the 2000s, my mom said, Nalani, you need to record this song. And Nā Leo was doing an album, and so when your mom says you better do something, you better do something. And so we ended up recording this because the words she said were so important for the Hawaiian people. It talks about that our lives are intertwined, and as the kupuna and the makua and the keiki all come together and rise up, that the Hawaiian nation, the lahui, will thrive. And so I think it's an appropriate song to do for you here today. Iolani Palace, number 1.